Hello friends, day 15. Very different from yesterday where I was climbing up onto the Quantocks. Today I've climbed a total of 120 feet all day. Clues in the name really though. I've been on the Somerset Levels, followed the Bridgwater and Taunton Canal to begin with, and then the River Parrett. And tonight I'm staying in a tree house at my friend Sarah's. Amazing place, I'll show you now. So this is my accommodation for tonight. Tree house in Sarah's garden. How cozy is that? So let's have a look at some of today's views.